What's up? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Louie.ocean. I still haven't even changed this yet. I'll probably go to the store later on. We'll get the new one. As you can see, if you know the vibes. We are changing the headlights today. The headlights are on the way. They arrived today, and now I'm gonna go pick that shit up because, man, they finally shipped them. I'm just getting a head start and taking out the front bumper. So tons of videos on how to take out the front bumper, but I'm gonna give you a depth of how to take it off my way. Same shit, just different way. Also, if you guys break these screws, these little plastic things that go here, you can get them at Infiniti or Nissan for like $5. And these right here, they go under the bumper, on the belly pan. I'm gonna find out where could I get these. Probably AutoZone, O'Reilly's, Advanced Auto Parts, probably. Cause cat man, one broke on me. It was like this, bogus. It just broke. Basura. All right, guys, I'm just getting a head start on the headlights. Man, I do really want to go get this bumper fixed. Shit look bogus. I can buff this out, but I might as well just get it fixed. Update on the LED. It's still holding good. No issues with me. Hope the other video guys helped you out. It hasn't given me problems. It hasn't been flashing or bleeding or nothing like that. Shout out to Jalisco Carbon again. Let's see if I did the right move when I connected the, let me see. Let's see if I did the right move when I connected the pink wire. Bam. That one. With the new headlights, see how it goes. But we'll figure it out. But I'm just getting a head start on taking out the front bumper. With these old headlights, it might be for sale, or I might just get them custom. But yeah, man, let's get a head start. From bumpers off, man, this shit. Just be careful when you pull this out. That shit's on there. With these clips right here, it's on there, man. Just be careful with that. Looks like it did messed up on the LED. It needs to go under this, so guess we're gonna fix that the same video because it's really tight, not too tight. But bumpers off. Be careful with fog lights. Be careful with that. Make sure you don't fuck anything up like this. You know, just be careful. All right, guys. Time to take these headlights. Just got a notification that my headlights just came in. Bad boys are going to go out. And one more thing, bro. Oh hell no! Don't fuck this shit up. It broke it. Just a tip for you guys. Make sure you loose this up. Move it back a little bit because there's these two little clips. These two little things. You see? Just make sure you loose this up, man. Just a tip. There's a carbon fiber one for this. Somebody just get it. Now I got a reason to get it. Now I got a reason to buy the carbon fiber one. All right. I'm on with alpharexusa headlights. Yo, compared to other videos, this box is big as fuck. Man, that's a big ass box. They upgraded on their boxes. I seen other videos and their boxes are pretty small. All right, let's open this up. So we have a box inside of a box. All right. Guess we gotta take this box out. there it is. You know, you check if there's any small imperfections. They look good. Packaging was well. That's how they came in the middle. Well, there's the reason that it's a big box because each headlight had their own box. You can see each one had their own box. But there it is, man. Man, these look so good. But I see the little details right here. It has alpharex. That's cool. A little cool touch. Alright guys, let's finish removing these headlights and put these bad boys in. Yeah, I get it. I already know. Another one. We got another one. The same damn headlights, but hey man, I already like how these look. It makes the car look different. Gives a different mean look. I want to be GTR headlights, but fuck it. I pulled the trigger on them. Pretty pricey for what it is. But you know, like I said, I have big things for the G. The G's not gonna be mine forever. You know, it's just gonna be a fun little toy for just for me. But let's continue on removing these headlights and figure it out how we're gonna rewire this, because I don't like how this is just dangling like that. All right, let's get it, man. All right, I got the headlight out. So I did connect it to the headlight one, but now I don't know which one should I connect it to. The pink one here. Well, I try to get power. I try to test power, but it doesn't give you power. So I guess we'll figure it out later. I guess we're gonna be with no LED emblem on this one. We'll figure it out later. I test the headlight, it fits, it works. The only thing I did wanted the LED, yeah, the LED emblem on too as well, but I just don't know where connect the power to. Either that pink one, or I'm gonna connect it to the new headlight with this red one here probably. But I don't want to fuck these headlights up and waste all that money and then it causes bleeding here. So I figured it out later, man. I guess we're just gonna do it without no LED emblem. I'll ask around people my homies that one of my guys that have the same alpharex headlights, see where he connected it to, and try to get some tips like where he connected the power to, because he has the same headlights. So we'll figure it out later, I guess. For now, we're just gonna stay without an LED. Let's just go ahead and finish this. I already got one in. Well, fitment for these, a little disappointed, you know. It's a little gap there. It's not really that flush, just at that gap. I try my best to fit it in as most of I can, but it just, this part right here has these little cross and it doesn't go all the way. And the more I push it, the bolts don't line up. Well, that's about it. That's only pros and cons of this headlight. Also when you first buy this, it comes in like this. I just noticed when I was messing around with it, you can actually disconnect it and have it loose, so it'd be easier for you to connect. Other than that, it's just plug and play. You don't have to do no transferring housing or headlights. Well, that's like I told you, the only con is just it's not that flush on it. But let's go ahead and finish this. The bumper is back on. Like I said, fitment's alright. Little gap right here. Well, this right here is nice and flush. A little gap too. Other than that, it's all good. I test them, they work. My fog lights still work. I had to disconnect them. Let me just put this everything back together. You know, and make sure everything was flush before I started putting everything in. Only reason I kept the plastic because, no, whatever. You check it off. Clean. It's all clean. I'm gonna put PPF on the headlights. I'm gonna install PPF. I'm gonna see if I can put PPF around this right here. Just put a seam. We'll see right now. We'll see when I get it done. And no, I did not connect the LED emblem, sadly. But I was messing around and there's a pink one, a real pink one that gives me power. I was testing it out. Good thing I have this. I was testing it out and it works. Well, I guess we'll do that later when the day's better. Right now I'm gonna just be rocking with the headlights like this. I just left it like how it is. I DM somebody that has the same alpharex headlights and it also has an emblem. I told him, hey, where did you connect it? From the headlight or from the cable source from the car? We'll see if he reaches back, hopefully. Or ask some more of the G homies. And finally, they shipped the damn mirror caps, man. They finally shipped them over like a month too, man. It's been delayed. Old headlights. Let's see. There's a guy out here in Chicago. It's called Chicago Retrofits, something like that. I'll be doing customized headlights. So should I just send them to get customized, or should I just clean these up real clean and sell them? I don't know. Comment below what should I do with these. All right, I don't know. I want to go for a drive. It's kind of ugly out there. It's raining. So I'm putting in the old headlights in the old boxes, and I look in this box and it came with this. There's some extra cable. Guess if you guys want to wire something else on it, you can. I don't know until I start moving the foam to put in the other headlight. Don't know what this is, but you guys know what it is. Comment below. There it is, guys. Boom. Just looking clean. Sheesh. 210. Everything looks all good. Man, it makes the car look even more better. It makes the car look good. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it for you guys tuning in, keeping up with the G. I've been saying that the headlights are coming soon. The headlights are coming soon. They finally arrive. So let me know what you guys think. I like them. Looks good, man. But yeah, man, thanks for watching. Subscribe to your boy. Tune in for the next one.